Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Emily here, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Daniel. Hi, everyone. Emily, you look very serious today.
Haha, do I?
A little. Like you have some big English problem to tell us about.
Actually, I do, and it's a very common problem.
Oh, now I'm interested. What is it?
I use the word very too much.
That's the problem?
Yes.
I thought you were going to tell me something terrible.
No, but listen, yesterday I was talking to my friend about a restaurant.
Okay.
I said, the restaurant was very nice. The food was very good. The music was very nice. The waiter was very friendly. And the dessert was very delicious. What?
You said very 5 times.
I know. That's exactly what I'm talking about.
But is that really wrong?
That's what I thought. I mean, very nice, very good, very friendly. People understand me.
Of course they understand you.
So why does it feel a little strange?
Maybe because English has so many other ways to say the same thing.
Exactly. And that's what we're going to talk about today.
So everyone, if you use very all the time, don't worry. You're definitely not alone.
Not at all. I used it everywhere when I was learning English.
Everywhere?
Everywhere. I'm very tired. I'm very hungry. It's very cold. That movie was very good.
Okay, you really liked very.
I really did. And honestly, I still hear English learners using it a lot.
Me too, but here's the interesting part.
What?
Sometimes you can replace very plus adjective with one stronger word.
Ah, so instead of saying 2 words, you can sometimes say one better word.
Exactly.
Give me an example.
Okay, very tired.
Exhausted?
Yes.
So instead of saying, I'm very tired, you could say, I'm exhausted.
Right, and it sounds natural.
But wait, is very tired bad?
No, that's important. Very tired is completely normal.
Good, because I was about to stop using very completely.
Please don't do that.
Okay. The problem isn't the word very. The problem is using it for everything.
Ah, I see.
Imagine you talk about your whole day and every feeling is very something.
Let me try. I woke up very early.
Good.
I was very tired.
Good.
I was very hungry.
Still good.
The bus was very slow.
Fine.
The weather was very cold.
Fine.
My boss was very angry.
Fine.
Then I was very happy.
Also fine.
So what's the problem?
You sound like you're defending very.
I am. Very has feelings too.
Okay, let's make it simple. When you use very again and again, your English can sound less interesting.
Less interesting.
Yes. Think about telling a story. If you say, the movie was very good, your listener understands.
Right?
But if you say, the movie was amazing, suddenly I want to know more.
Oh, that's true.
You give the listener a stronger feeling.
So this is not really about using difficult English.
Exactly. It's about choosing a more natural word when you need one.
I like that.
Let's try another one.
Okay.
Very hungry.
Starving.
Perfect.
I'm starving.
That sounds very natural.
And maybe more emotional too.
Yes, if you come home from a long day and say, I'm very hungry, that's normal.
But if you open the refrigerator and there's nothing inside,
Haha.
you might say, I'm starving.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners, let's try this one together.
Yes, repeat after us. I'm starving.
I'm starving.
Again, a little more naturally.
I'm starving.
Good.
Now I actually feel hungry.
Same. Maybe we shouldn't talk about food.
Too late.
Okay, one more. Very angry.
Furious.
Yes, but be careful with that one.
Why?
because furious is much stronger than angry.
Oh, right.
So if your friend forgets to call you, you probably don't say, I'm furious.
Unless I'm really angry.
Exactly.
So the stronger word has a stronger feeling.
Yes, that's the important idea.
I think I understand now.
Good, but there's another problem.
What now?
Sometimes learners replace very with a strong word, but the strong word doesn't fit the situation.
Give me an example.
Imagine someone asks, how was your coffee?
It was delicious.
Great.
It was amazing.
Also possible.
It was incredible.
Sure, depending on the situation.
It was life-changing.
Maybe not for coffee.
Maybe, unless it was really good coffee.
True, true.
So we shouldn't just choose the biggest word we know.
Exactly. We want the right word, not the biggest word.
That's actually a really useful idea.
And it makes conversations sound more natural.
Let's talk about very good.
Okay.
I think I use that one all the time.
Most people do.
The food was very good.
Totally normal.
The movie was very good.
Normal.
Your presentation was very good.
Normal.
So what else can I say?
It depends. You could say great.
The movie was great.
Yes.
Your presentation was great.
Very natural.
The food was great.
Absolutely.
That one is easy.
Exactly. You don't need a complicated word.
I think learners sometimes believe that better English means bigger words.
Oh, definitely.
But great is simple.
And native speakers use simple words all the time.
That's good news.
Very good news.
You used very.
I did.
You used very.
You're breaking your own rule.
I'm allowed to use it sometimes.
Okay, I'll let you go this time. Thank you.
But now I'm watching you.
Oh no.
Every time you say very, I'm going to count.
Please don't.
1.
Daniel. Okay. Let's keep going.
All right.
Here's another everyday example. Very cold.
Freezing.
Exactly.
It's freezing outside.
Great.
But again, very cold is not wrong.
Correct.
If it's winter and I say it's very cold today, nobody will look at me strangely.
Of course not.
So when should I use freezing?
When it feels extremely cold, maybe you go outside without a jacket and immediately regret your decision.
Haha, that happens.
You can say, oh my gosh, it's freezing.
I can imagine that.
And that's what makes these words useful. They help you show the feeling.
Not just give information.
Exactly.
So very gives information, but sometimes another word gives more feeling.
That's a good way to think about it.
Okay, listeners, let's practice one more.
Ready? Instead of very cold, say it's freezing. It's freezing.
Again.
It's freezing.
Good.
And now, imagine you just walked outside on a cold morning.
Oh, it's freezing.
Perfect.
This is actually fun.
It is. And I think the biggest mistake is thinking you need to remove very from your English.
Right. We don't.
We just want more choices.
More choices.
Exactly.
So instead of always saying very good, sometimes say great.
Instead of very hungry, sometimes say starving.
Instead of very cold, sometimes say freezing.
And instead of very tired,
Exhausted.
exactly.
I already feel like I'm noticing very more.
That's actually the first step.
Just noticing it?
Yes, next time you're speaking English, listen to yourself.
And if I say very 5 times,
Don't panic. Just ask yourself, is there another simple word I can use here?
I like that. It doesn't feel like studying.
Exactly. You're just talking and making small changes.
And those small changes can make your English sound more natural.
Yes.
Okay, Emily, I have a question.
Go ahead.
What word do you think you use after very the most?
Oh, probably very nice.
Very nice?
Yes.
I knew it.
What?
You say very nice all the time.
Do I?
You do. Your restaurant story was full of it.
Okay, fair point.
So let's fix that one next.
Very nice.
What could we say instead?
Lovely.
The restaurant was lovely.
That sounds nice.
We had a lovely evening.
Ooh, I like that one.
Me too.
And it's still easy English.
Exactly.
So maybe that's the secret. We don't need harder English.
We just need more natural choices.
Yes.
And once you start noticing them, you can use them in real conversations.
Right.
Now I'm thinking about all the times I've said, very good.
Me too.
Maybe we should test ourselves.
I'm ready.
Very good.
Great.
Very tired.
Exhausted.
Very hungry.
Starving.
Very cold.
Freezing.
And very nice.
Lovely.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
And we didn't use any difficult words.
Exactly.
I think we're on to something.
So, Daniel, I think we've learned something pretty simple today.
Yeah, we don't have to stop using very.
Exactly. We just need to notice when another word sounds more natural.
And sometimes that word can be really easy.
Right. Very good can become great. Very tired can become exhausted.
Very hungry can become starving. Very cold can become freezing.
And very nice can become lovely.
I think lovely is my favorite.
Really?
Yeah, we had a lovely evening. It sounds warm and natural.
I agree.
But I want to remind everyone of something.
Go ahead.
If you say very good or very tired, that doesn't mean your English is wrong.
Exactly. Don't be afraid of simple English.
The goal is just to have more choices.
And that comes naturally when you listen, repeat, and use English often.
Okay, everyone, let's do one quick practice together.
Repeat after us. The movie was great.
The movie was great.
I'm exhausted today.
I'm exhausted today.
I'm starving.
I'm starving.
It's freezing outside.
It's freezing outside.
And one more. We had a lovely evening.
We had a lovely evening.
Perfect.
See, you don't need big words to sound natural.
You just need the right words for the moment.
And remember, next time you hear yourself saying very again and again, pause for a second.
Ask yourself, is there another simple word I can use here?
That small question can make a big difference.
And most importantly, keep speaking. Don't wait for perfect English.
Exactly. Speak, make mistakes, learn, and speak again.
Now, we want to hear from you. What word do you use too much in English?
Tell us in the comments. Maybe you use very good, very nice, or something completely different.
And maybe we'll talk about it in another conversation.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.